In a quiet little garden behind an old house, there lived a graceful cat named Luna. Her fur shone silver under the sunlight, and her gentle eyes carried wisdom. She was not just any cat. She was a mother to 3 tiny kittens, Snow, Misty, and Shadow.
Luna worked hard every day, finding food, keeping her kittens safe, and teaching them how to climb, play, and explore. The kittens often thought, Mama does everything for us. She never rests. Why does she work so hard?
One evening, while the kittens were playing, Misty tumbled into a puddle and cried. Luna quickly ran, lifted her up, and comforted her. Snow meowed, Mama, aren't you tired of always saving us?
Luna smiled softly and replied, My dear one's love is never tired. A mother's heart grows stronger with every purr, every hug, every little meow. One day you will grow up and walk your own paths. Until then, my love will be your shelter. The kittens cuddled close, their tiny hearts warmed by her words. From that day, whenever they saw Luna working hard, they didn't feel guilty anymore. Instead, they felt inspired. They tried to help her, fetching little twigs for the nest, watching each other and learning to care. As seasons passed, the kittens grew stronger, braver, and wiser. They realized that their mother's love was the greatest lesson of all. True love gives without asking. True strength comes from caring. And the most beautiful gift is family.
And so under the moonlight, the kittens always purred to their mother. We love you, Mama Luna. Your love made us who we are.